Hi, Howie. Hello, hello, Tef and Kaba. You guys got to come on with me and teach me how to say your names. Hey, Anthony. Let's get everybody back before we continue. I think I'm going to change the homework to classwork. I'll give you a different one for classwork. Howie. Howie. All right, if anybody wants to come on with me, please click the link. I appreciate it if you come on with me. I see some people are flashing the answers. I want an email to me. Please email me the result of this classwork. I'm waiting for you to do this now. Anybody have any trouble finding me after the break? We only have 6 people come back. I believe that's what I counted. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people that I count. We had 11 before, right? Or 12, I'm not sure. So we lost a few people. Tenjin is missing. Maybe people didn't understand that there was a part 2. All right, I'm going to look at my emails, see how many people sent it. Okay, Tafin Kaba sent it, and Kwang Yu Chen Liang sent it, and Howie sent it. That's it. 3. Tamir sent it. See if anybody else found us. 3 people sent it. I'm waiting a little bit longer, and we'll go over it. Working on the second one is Tenjin. The reason I wrote B is 11. 10 is A, B, C, D, E, F. You got to look up hexadecimal numbers in Wikipedia. So Ken's secret for finding me was just refreshing the channel, and there I was. Okay. And this is even better. Notification when I went live. Very, very good. Very good. So I think we're not going to have any problems going forward with finding me. Thank goodness. All right, I'm going to share screen. All right, Damir gave the solution, which I like. 707. Oh, you did directly into binary first? Better to do hexadecimal first. No, this doesn't work that way. Only if this was a hex number, Damir. So that's not quite correct. Good try. Let's see this one. Hexadecimal first. So what's the answer for hexadecimal? 2C3. So you did binary first, and then you got the octal and the hex. That'll work also, but it's easier to go from hex to binary to octal. You went first to binary, then to octal, and also to hex. But this is fine. You did good. This works. I mean, I'm not checking the answer, but the method works. So that was good. This is just the answer. How we. Okay, so you did the hex first, perfect. And then you converted to binary, perfect. And then you converted to octal, perfect. This is a perfect solution. I love it. Neatly done, perfect. Excellent work, Howie. I'm going to give you a 10 on this, Howie, because you really did good work on this. Very nice. Excellent class work. Really, really good. Nice and neat. Really good. Okay, so Howie did tremendous job. So you all saw it. I put it on the share screen. Try to do it using the method Howie did, the same method I use. The shortest way to do it. I wonder why. How did you find it then, Mahedi? Mahedi, come on live. You have a mic and a camera. Nobody else had a problem. You're all here. Okay, look, any method is fine, but I wanted you to do my method because it's the quickest, shortest. But as long as you know how to do it, I'm happy. All right, let's take a look at a program. We want to do some programming in part 2. So I'm going to share screen. Okay, I'm using, as the last time, Dev C. What you're going to do is put your name up here. Name of the program. Created on today's date. Your name. So this is a multi-line comment. It begins with slash asterisk, ends with asterisk slash. Include IOStream. Using namespace standard int main. All of this is standard. We're going to need this for every program. Okay, what's the idea of this program? Doesn't say. So I would like you to put some documentation in right away. So add a multi-line comment right in here. Let me send this to you. Let me send this to you. So I have to save it. Come on, cursor. I just want to make sure we have the same, that it was saved correctly. Yeah, okay. I need somebody to talk to. It helps a lot. By the way, we have a tutor, Thomas Chu. I'm going to put his email down. I am writing an email. I don't know if you can see it, but you'll see it in a minute. I just sent you an email with the program that I had up and asking you to do several things. Let's look at it together now. Oh, I have to do share screen. This is not permissible. Not at all permissible. No foul language. I don't know who Jonah B is. Thomas Chu is the online tutor. Sometimes you find some intruders when you have a public live presentation. I don't think Jonah B is in our class. So I wouldn't worry about it. Any compiler, any Visual Studio, Code Blocks, whatever it is, I don't care. Even Eclipse is good. I like Eclipse. All right, here we go. What's the idea behind this program? Well, we're going to read in your first name, your last name, this is not being read in, this is being computed, and your CUNY ID. I don't know what the difference is between CUNY ID. Oh, I see. That's with a dot. All right, let's take a look. Type in your first name, you type it in. Type in your last name, you type it in. Then compute the first name by concatenating space between the first and last name, and concatenate CUNY ID. Compute CUNY. Use CUNY ID, put a dot between the first name and the last name. Let's see the difference. Okay. Let's see the difference. Also notice she used an endlin and a /n. They mean the same thing. just to be different, I suppose. Let's run this thing. Compile it first. That's done. We're going to close the compilation window and run it. We should get a dialog box come up. Where's the dialog box? It's very slow. Oh, there it comes. All right, it says here, type in your first name. Done. Now it says, type in your first name, please. Thought I did that. I'll type in your last name. What did print out? Welcome to C++ programming. Hello, Jerry Meyer. Welcome to C++ programming. Your CUNY login ID is jerry.meyer. Very cute program. Okay. All right, so everybody get that email with the CPP file? All right, run it and make sure it works. Then modify it and send it in to me. It's a cute little program. And I'll see you all next week. Be well, stay away from crowds. Don't get that virus. We want everybody healthy. Okay? You all good? See you next week. Be well. Do your work. Remember, there's a lot of resources online. You're welcome, Christina. Thank you for coming. Be well, everybody. Bye-bye, Arvin. See you next week. No problem, Eddie. Hope you can handle this program I gave you. Try your best. All right. See you all next week.